You're walking into court for a hearing, and 5 minutes earlier, you posted on Facebook that you're going to make the judge suck your dick. I wish I was joking, but that's what one of my clients did. And guess who saw it? Yep, the prosecution. And guess who brought it up to the judge? That's right, the prosecution. Let's talk about how social media can quietly destroy your criminal case and what you need to stop doing right now. Hi, I'm Joel Chorny, a criminal defense attorney based in Tucson, Arizona. This video is for general information purposes only. It is not legal advice, and every case is different. So if you're facing charges in Arizona, call my office so we can talk about your specific situation. Social media is a gold mine for prosecutors. They're looking for anything that can be used to build a timeline, prove intent, show you were somewhere you said you weren't, or, like in my client's case, paint you as reckless, angry, or disrespectful in front of a judge. Even if your account is set to private, it's not really private. They can subpoena your account. And even if you don't post anything, your friends might tag you or post a photo of you that places you at the scene or undercuts your alibi. Let me go back to that client that I mentioned. He was out on release, had a court hearing scheduled, and decided, maybe as a joke, that he would post on Facebook off to court to make the judge suck my dick. I didn't know about it, but the prosecutor did. And then they brought it up in court. And it was one of the most embarrassing moments I've ever had as a defense attorney, and it was completely avoidable. And you can only imagine that if I was embarrassed, he was mortified. What that post did was confirm everything the prosecution wanted the court to believe about my client, that he was angry, impulsive, and disrespectful of the process. That single post had more impact than weeks of preparation ever could. So here are 5 rules to protect yourself if you're facing criminal charges. You need to stop posting about anything. Even innocent posts can be taken out of context. Photos, captions, comments, they're all fair game. Even direct messages can be used in court, and they often are. You would be amazed at the things that people think will never come up again, but do. You want to not be giving the state any further evidence to be used against you. And it's really uncomfortable to have to go over your sensitive or personal messages with your lawyer, which is necessary when the prosecution has them and is planning on using them. It's really important that you not delete posts. This can look like you're trying to destroy evidence, and that is in itself a crime. You do not want to be accused of tampering with evidence. So you need to always talk with your attorney before you go to destroy something or remove something from your social media. Be mindful of what your friends are posting and make sure to ask them not to tag you. Ask them not to talk about your case. One tag can create a timeline that hurts you. I have a case right now where my client's presence on scene is being established by the posts that he had on his social media. It's hard to argue that you weren't at a party when there are photos of you at that party. So be mindful of that. You don't need to clear the air or set the record straight online. You need to protect yourself. So you have to think, what is more important, that my social media presence is dealt with or that I avoid the criminal charges and the consequences that can come from a conviction? That's what needs to be driving you. If you're more concerned with your social media, you're going to find that your criminal case is going to suffer. If you're under investigation or already charged with a crime, the best time to shut down your social media was yesterday. The second best time is now. And if your case is in Arizona and you want someone who knows how to protect your rights and keep you from shooting yourself in the foot, call my office. I'm Joel Chorny. Your rights matter. Protect them. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.